So, Brandon, did we get something new in?
We did, thanks to a friend of ours on one of our groups that we are part of. Tupelo Runner hooked us up with this Old Granddad 7-year limited release. This is a bottled and bond, which means it's 100 proof
Okay.
and aged at least 4 years. And this is a fresh crack.
Nice pop.
Yeah. This was distilled in the spring of 2018 and bottled the spring of this year, 2025. It was cut down to 100 proof, and we've seen a few reviews from the bigger channels out there on it. It has not hit our market, so Tupelo Runner, thank you very, very much for this. Let's go ahead and get a pour going of this and see what we think about it. Now, we do enjoy the Old Granddad Bottled and Bond release that's readily available on the shelves. And plus, it makes a great old fashioned.
This is going to be thick.
Looking at it, yeah, it's
coating the sides, but I'm barely seeing any legs starting. Okay, now they are.
Yeah, from where I just poured it in. But the color's nice. It's a light, almost amber caramel color. And the viscosity in the glass is really good. All right. Ooh, on the nose, not ethanol forward at all.
No, it's not. I'm getting even like brown sugar.
Oh, major brown sugar, some caramel, vanilla.
That dark fruit plum.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Dark fruits, dark red fruits as well.
I'm not getting too much of a cherry note.
No.
But
I am getting more of the sugary wood tannin on this than we normally would from the regular bottled and bond. The regular,
because this is
it's aged for so much longer. The bottled and bond is a minimum of 4. But let's see how it goes to the palate. That's rich, not overdrawing.
No, it coats beautifully.
Very sweet. I mean, brown sugar all day forward.
But I do get a hint of plum on the palate.
It's almost like, that Japanese plum wine with the sweet, dark richness.
I could see that. The finish is nice too. It's
still going.
It's kind of cinnamon on the back, but it's also got the dark fruit, the stone fruit on the palate.
But the cinnamon's not like what you would expect from like Fireball or the Atomic Fireball candies or stuff. It's the actual baking spice cinnamon.
Like you had a baked plum.
But that vanilla from mid palate back is there. It's not like kicking open the door, but it's definitely letting you know it's in the room.
This is one of the most consistent. I mean, so far that was the first sip, but the flavors I got on the nose match on the palate, match on the finish.
Absolutely, they do, and I'm impressed with that. Let's go back to the nose now that we've had that first sip of the day.
I'm still getting the brown sugar and the plum.
Yeah. The vanilla is a little more pronounced. You're getting the cinnamon as well.
But it's not sharp. It's not like a strong, it's just a scent of cinnamon.
It's a character, a cinnamon character. But, I mean, even for a fresh crack, this is not ethanol forward like you would expect. But the coating on the glass is unreal on that, and the slow moving legs. That's cool.
and it handles the mouth the same way. It coats.
Mm-hmm.
It's oily enough that it just kind of leaves that layer all over your mouth.
Mm-hmm.
And I think that the oils like that are what are causing this longer finish, because
Yeah.
the finish is still going.
You get a little tingle at the front of the tongue on the initial sip, but it quickly dissipates, and the sweetness and the fruitiness and the baking spices and those vanillas start to form as it goes to the mid palate.
It's still going. I mean, it's still consistent, but on the nose to the palate to the finish, it's holding.
The finish is still going, but it's gone from like very pronounced to very subtle. It's like that dark fruit, the sugars, the vanillas, the baking spices have all kind of come together and just made, something very homogeneous in the back, and it's very good. I was kind of skeptical at first because I'm like, why are they messing with my old granddad that I like so much? I'm making old fashions with, but you know what? This is actually pretty good. I do not know the price point on this. I think it's probably in the 40-ish, maybe.
Oh, that wouldn't be bad.
Yeah. Similar to the 8-year Wild Turkey 101.
When it hits our area, we definitely need to get some to make sure we always have it on the bar.
Yeah, because this is a limited series. So I don't know how long they're going to run this.
Well, my pairing notes on this, hibachi all day.
Oh, yeah, that would be really good.
Give me the hibachi steak with the scallops.
And the fried rice and all of that.
Where you get the fried rice, yes. And the soup, I mean, the whole 9 yards. I mean, that's a great pairing for that. I think because you get that ginger, just the spices that you normally get in a hibachi, with the subtleness of the spices are subtle in this. They're not overpowering at all. They're just that little bit of cinnamon and that little bit of that fruit and stuff. To me, man, just give me them fresh fruits or the fresh vegetables and the rice and the soup. Give me the whole 9 yards out of hibachi.
Right here, it's just starting to slowly drip a leg from that last sip that I took. I mean, the viscosity on this is great. Is it something that's going to blow you away as being one of the greatest things ever? No, but for what it is, it's very, very good.
Yeah, it's good.
As far as the cigar goes, I would keep it to a medium or less on the boldness of a cigar, because you start getting up to the more bold cigars, I think that may wash out the subtle nuances of this whiskey.
This would make me want to step out of my comfort zone with my normal cigars. This one, I would probably be at our cigar shop and looking for something, because what I have are more vanilla or cherry.
The flavors.
The groovy is,
the groovy blues.
Yeah, those are on the sweet side. This would have me looking for something a little bit more on the savory side.
Yeah. I mean, something with just a hint of sweetness, like a Connecticut shade or a Cameroon wrapper, something of that nature, that'll give you just a slight touch of sweetness to go along with the medium-ish type boldness of that cigar. I think would go really well with this. Make sure down in the comments, let us know, have you come across Old Granddad 7 years? And if you have, what were you getting on it as far as tasting notes? And what would you pair that with? All right. I think that's going to do it for us today.
So remember, we just have this one life to live.
So make it about family, good friends, and great whiskey.
Till next time, our friends.
Cheers.
Cheers.